Gotta spray that so they'll come out. Okay, and on the box it says 400 degrees. Let's get a bake. And then start here, and it says preheating.
That new stove's so much different than your old one.
Oh yeah.
I like the old one better with the knobs on it.
Yeah, well, let's get a third of milk.
Cup.
Yeah. One egg. Okay. Then you put it. That's it. When the stove heats up enough, then you put it in and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they look good.
Oh, yeah.
Hit the X. Turn it off. See, you want to eat one?
Not right now. Mm-hmm.